Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the YouTube channel not showing up in search. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open your YouTube channel. From here, click on your profile from the top right corner and go to your YouTube studio. After that, click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Here, select Channel and click on Basic Info, which should be automatically selected. Now, you will find keywords. Add your channel name as the first keyword in the list. You can add other keywords as well, but prioritize your channel name. This will help your channel rank higher in YouTube search results when people search for it. Now, let's talk about tip number 2. Add your channel name as a tag on every video you upload. This improves SEO and ensures that your videos show up prominently in search results when people search for your channel name. To check if your channel is showing up in the results, use an incognito or private window instead of your regular YouTube account. This ensures that the results aren't influenced by your browsing history or account activity. If your channel isn't showing up, use the filter option in the search results to narrow down the search to channels specifically. Also, make sure to include your channel name in your channel's About section. This provides YouTube with more data to ensure your channel appears in the search results. If your channel name is competitive or commonly used, like Mr. Beast, it might be harder to rank high in search results. But if it's unique, these tips should help improve its visibility. That's how you can fix a YouTube channel not showing up in searches. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.